guys, good morning, good afternoon guys. I want us to clean. My kitchen is a mess, so I want us to clean. I want us to clean together because the kitchen, almost said chicken, the kitchen is a mess, a mess, a mess. So let me show you how it looks. Please don't judge. Let me show you how it looks. I have something on the fire cooking, but see. Hey my lord, I wonder. You see guys, I was blending something and then my blender decided to do that thing. Yeah, it just decided to mess me up. That's how that kitchen, that's how that kitchen looks. Everything is everywhere. You see on the floor? That's the blend I'm talking about. So let us clean this together. Let us clean this together, my people. Let us clean this together. So you're welcome, and please like the video, share and subscribe. This is yam, arrowroot, and what? My God, sweet potato and cassava for my breakfast. Yeah, so let us clean here guys. Let us clean here. Let us clean here. Yeah, so let us clean together. Just clean together. Together and see.
In the glow of the city lights, we find our way. Every step we take feels like the start of a new day. Your hand in mine, the world fades away. In this moment, nothing else matters, just you and I. Every beat of my heart, every breath I take is a promise I make to never let you break. This is the moment you and I are together. No need promise I make to never let you break. This is the moment you and I are together. No need to hide, no need to fear the weather. We'll dance in the rain, we'll laugh in the thunder. In this moment we are forever. This is the moment you and I are together. No need to hide, no need to fear the weather. We'll dance in the rain, we'll laugh in the thunder. In this moment we are forever. In this moment we are together. In this moment we are forever. Met you on a Tuesday, sky was turning gray, but you smiled like morning, chased the clouds away. You said, I don't know where this road might go. I said, let's find out slow. Built a life on borrowed time and late night calls. Held your hand through every rise and every fall. You, me, and forever doesn't have to shine, just has to weather the quiet days, the heavy nights, the not so perfect still feels right. No fireworks, just steady flame, no running off, just choosing to stay. You, me, and forever. Yeah, that's enough for me. First apartment, thin walls and borrowed chairs. 2 plates, 1 blanket, too much love to spare. We didn't need much to make it feel like home. You were all I've known. And now we framed our years in photographs and frames. But what I love the most still hasn't changed. You, me, and forever doesn't have to shine, just has to weather the quiet days, the heavy nights, the not so perfect still feels right. No grand parade, no need to prove, just every day I choose you. You, me, and forever. Yeah, that's enough for me. Maybe we won't just getting better. The slow burn love, the peaceful fight, the way your eyes still catch the light. No need to dream of something new. Forever's waking up with you, me, and forever. That's all I'll ever need. Just staying true and make our story unfold. But everything shifted the day he appeared, with polished lies and luxury you revered. You slipped away, not a single goodbye. Left me bleeding, wondering why. I thought I was your dream come true, but I was just a phase you outgrew. You walked away to a world of desire, not for love, but for glitter and fire. These fallen tears know what we lost. You chose to shine, I paid the cost. Every night I drown in your trace. Memories burn in their old embrace. I whisper your name in every prayer, but heaven knows you're no longer there. You slipped away, not a single goodbye. Left me bleeding, wondering why. I thought I was your dream come true, but I was just a phase you outgrew.
Kitchen's now clean. Yeah, whatever I'm cooking, still cooking, and the kitchen now is clean. Just to wait the utensils to drain water, and then I'll arrange them wherever they're supposed to be. But the kitchen now is clean. It is clean. This one I'm supposed to put them in the fridge. Yeah. now clean and organized. And the floor, there you go, very clean now. Yeah, it's very clean. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you. I'm super tired. Just need something like a nap for a few minutes. But thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Continue subscribing, liking, and sharing, and I'll be so happy, guys. Be so happy. Happy. So bye bye. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Yeah. See you in the next video, guys.